Hello everyone. Today I will introduce Adjust Point Cloud Color function in LiDAR360. Through the toolbar on the right side of the LiDAR360 main interface, click on Data Management, and in the Point Cloud Tools drop-down menu, find and open the Adjust Point Cloud Color tool. You can also directly search for Adjust Point Cloud Color in the toolbox and double-click to open the tool. In the pop-up window, you can choose how to draw the area of the point cloud that you want to modify, with options including polygon, circle, and rectangle. Once you've made your selection, use the left mouse button to draw the area and double-click to confirm the area you want to modify. Click Add Region to ensure or Clear Region to remove the drawn area. In the Input Color section, you can click on the point cloud with your mouse to capture the color as the input color, or you can select a color from the color panel. Similarly, when setting the output color, you can click on the point cloud to capture a color as the output color, or select a color from the color panel. Set the color tolerance, where points within the tolerance range of the input color will be modified to the output color. The larger the value, the more points within the range will have their color changed. In the Class section, you can specify the category of points whose color needs to be modified. Points that do not match the specified category will not be changed. You can also use the Preview button to preview the results of your modifications, the Undo button to undo the last color modification, and the Redo button to redo the last color modification. After completing the above steps as needed, click OK to finish the point cloud color editing. That's all for Adjust Point Cloud Color function. Thank you for watching.